Heavy rain and flooding is affecting southeastern Australia. Some people may be asking, why is this occurring? Well, the answer lies in the jet streams. Take a look at this. The subtropical jet stream is what we see here, this band of red arrows through the western and central part of Australia. The polar jet stream, though, has surged north and is now meeting the subtropical jet stream. Whenever the jet streams merge like this, we end up with extreme weather. North of the subtropical jet stream, you have warm, humid, tropical air. Now, that's actually drifted down, you can see there, right through eastern Australia. To the south of the polar jet stream, you have very cold and dry polar air, and those two air masses are clashing right now over southeastern Australia. The clash point where they're meeting is this trough of low pressure. Warm air, cold air don't get along. Cold air, it's heavy, it's dense. Warm air is lighter. The warm air has to rise. But there's so much humidity in the air right now that rising air is leading to thick cumulonimbus clouds and heavy rain and storms, and it's a slow-moving weather system. It's not just a couple of hours of heavy rain. In some cases, we could see 2 days of heavy rain. There's our trough of low pressure, deepening into a low on Friday over southeastern Australia. That low will deepen further on Saturday. You'll note the isobars quite close together, showing the intensity of it. And it's fairly slow-moving, so heavy rain, thunderstorms, flash flooding through southeastern Australia over the next 48 hours. It's not until that low starts to move away from southeastern Australia, perhaps later on Saturday, that rain will start to ease in some areas. Although you'll notice still some heavy rain on the western flank of the low, affecting southern Victoria, even towards midnight Saturday. That trough of low pressure from the low extends up through inland Queensland with a band of showers and severe storms, gradually working their way east across northern New South Wales and Queensland through the weekend. On Sunday, reaching the Queensland coastline with flash flooding likely, along with northeast New South Wales. There's our low moving away, so the rain eases back to showers through Sunday. By the time we hit Monday, just lighter falls left over for southeastern Australia. But the rain event's certainly not over early next week. That trough of low pressure will actually linger near the east coast and even deepen into another low, which could bring torrential falls to southern Queensland or New South Wales through the early part of next week. It all depends on the proximity of the low to the coast. You can see here this low forming up right on the coast. If it's just off the coast, the heavy rain will be just offshore. But if that low manages to push onto the coast, torrential rain indicated by the red and the black could be pushing back into areas which will already pick up some rain over the next few days. If we look at the chart, actually, we can see that low may even drift down towards Bass Strait, which could mean a second dose of heavy rain, for example, in parts of Victoria and Tasmania. That's not until the middle part of next week, but we'll keep you updated on the evolution of this system over the next few days.